So now let's see how we can work around with Guided Photomerge Compose option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So here you can see that I have an image, and in order for the Photomerge to work, you actually need two images. So I'm just going to go around and open out another image right here. So I'm just going to go around onto open, and here on my desktop you can see that I got another photo right here which I just opened up. So now I'm just going to go around right here, and then let's say for example I need to select out these two photos itself for the Photomerge. So let me just select one and go to the guided option right here, and once I go around over here under Photomerge, here you can see Photomerge Compose is an option. If I were to click right here, it says select control plus click, and then select two photos in the photo bin, and then click Photomerge Compose again. And so what I need to do is I need to go around and select out these two photos right here. I need to go around and then hold control and then select out both of these photos, as you can see. And as I click on control and then click on both of those photos, both of them will be selected. So once that is done, you can click on Photomerge Compose right here, and both of those photos will be opened up, as you can see. So it says drag and drop the image you would like to extract from here. So I'm just going to go around and drag out this image right here. So now you can select out the part of the photo that you want to be extracted. So I'm just going to go around onto the quick selection mode, just go around over here, click and drag, and I can select this lady right here. As you can see, I can go around and select her out right here just like this by using the brush tool. As you can see, just like this, you can go around and select her out, and you can go around and work around with the outline over here as well. So you can add or subtract right here. So you can go around over here, and then you can add or subtract out different options over here just like this as well. But let me just go around and press Ctrl Z, and you can go around over here onto refine, and here you can see that you can refine out. So there's like size that you can control, so you can see that you can refine out the selection right here even more further. So let's say for example you want to push this out inside right here, you can just go around and refine it. But I'm just going to smooth it out. So once you do that, it smoothens the selection, as you can see. Now let me just go around and add, and then just go around and then draw around over here, because I want to select out this lady right here. And you can work around with this selection as which may be harder soft over here. You can go around over here and you can set the background as overlay, as transparent, as you can see right here, or any other settings as you wish right here. So you can also go around and refine out the edge right here, and then you can work around with the brush size and then select out the make selection on the basis of that as well, and you can smoothen it out. You can add in some feather over here just like this, and output everything to selection or other option over here. So let me just go around onto selection, because that is what we need right here. Once everything is done, you can go around and press next, and over here you can see that there's this lady over here on the new image. So you can see that the photos has been merged right here. So you can go around and hide out more things right here. You can do much more refinement, as you can see just like this, and you can draw around the brush right here. Work around with the size, the opacity, and the hardness of the brush over here as well, just like this, and this is what you have. You can go around and then increase out the size right here, and work around with the brush, as you can see just like this. So once that is done, you can go around over here and then simply go to move and resize and place this anywhere you want, just like this. You can resize this out, place this anywhere you like, as you can see, and press the check mark button right there. So once everything is done, you can go around and then press next right here just like this, and then you can work around with the luminance right here of the photo that is there. You can work around with the contrast, as you can see right here. You can work around with the luminance, and you can work around with the temperature, as you can see right here just like this, so that it matches out with the other photo that is there as well. You can decrease out the saturation altogether or increase it out right here, and reset to default as well if you want to. But let me just go around and press Ctrl Z right here, and just go around and make some changes over here just like this, change around the temperature. And once that is done, I'm just going to go around and then click on next right here, and this is what you have. And now you can continue editing this either in quick or expert mode as you wish. So that is how you can use the Guided Photomerge Compose option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.